Hi guys, namaste. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, guys. Okay. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks, I'll be the decks also, the links of the decks will be in the description box below. Okay, the information about the decks will be in the description box below also, so the decks that I've been using in this video. Okay, and yeah, so this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So the topic for today is Mother Earth messages for you guys. So what our Mother Earth wants you to know. So what are the messages of Mother Earth? This is going to be that reading. Okay, so I have 3 photos over here. So yeah, go with your intuition and select one, and I hope you get your message. Okay, and I hope this gives you inspiration, motivation. Okay, so let's go. I'll show you the piles. Okay, so this is group number 1 people, this photo over here. And we have I have kept a crystal also, this green aventurine crystal, so you can go by the photo or the crystal. For group number 1 we have green aventurine, and we have this one, this photo. Okay, for group number 2 we have this photo, and we have the crystal bloodstone. And then last group we have this one, and we have the crystal rose quartz. Okay, so close your eyes, relax your mind, completely relax, don't think anything, and just select a photo that calls to you. Okay, intuitively. So okay, so in the description box below there will be timestamps, so just watch your video, skip ahead and watch your video. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Take your time, relax, and then select. And I'm gonna go with group number 1, guys. Hi, group number 1, if you chose this photo and this green aventurine crystal, this is your reading. So stick around, guys. I'll be doing charms and letters also. So yeah, letters gives us a lot of info, I feel. So yeah, okay, so yeah, okay, so I'm pretty excited for this reading. Hope you all enjoy it. Okay, so we have this green aventurine crystal and this green. Look at this. I feel you need to connect with Mother Earth. You need to spend more time with her for this pile, and I feel you feel very heavy, very heavy. So look at this. There is so much of heaviness in your heart, or maybe you're feeling very responsible. You have a lot of things to do and you don't know where to start and where to go. But look, the only thing you need to is to connect with Mother Earth. Okay, and you are gonna get all the answers. I feel like that. So you need to just relax, you need to just relax. You're all the time you're so busy. I feel in this 3D you're so busy. You have this, you have to do this work, then you have to do that work, then work and work and work, then you have to do this, and you're all scattered with so much responsibilities. So if you have kids, you have to look after them. Then if you have your career, job, house, all the things, maybe a lot of tension, overthinking, so you're feeling so heavy. And I feel for this pile, your heart is so closed, you're not receiving it because you're so caught up on your head is so heavy. Maybe you have headaches because of that. I feel like there is a lot of stress with this photo. Just I feel so stressed, I'm getting that stress vibe. You're very stressed. Okay, you're stressed about your life, your future, how this is going to take place. Maybe because of this pandemic you are very stressed, where you don't know where is it going, when these things will happen, that kind of energy I'm seeing. You're very stressed and you're feeling, oh my god, when will all this will be over, when I'll be free of these responsibilities and everything. You're so caught up, you're so stressed. So yeah, that is what I'm getting here for you for the first message. So don't be caught up. Okay, so let's see. We have these oracle cards. So let's see. So I'm using Earth Warriors Oracle book. Sorry, Oracle cards, and energy and wisdom oracle deck. So this is the first card. You have gotten, this is the beautiful place. I know you want to make a beautiful place for yourself where everyone is happy. You're very kind souls, I feel like that. Okay, so you don't have to stress about anything. So Mother Earth is saying that don't have to stress about anything, just give your worries to her. Okay, and I feel the beautiful place, you're dreaming, your dreams, in your dreams I feel you, maybe it's your dream to have a very beautiful space for you, a beautiful earth, everyone living nicely. Maybe you have a mission, you want to protect earth, that can also be there. You want to do good things for other people. This is not your, it's not just an imagination. Maybe in childhood you wanted to be like to protect people or something like that. You want to do, you're very kind-hearted souls. That's why I feel with this pandemic going on, I feel you're very stressed. Don't be stressed, everything will be all right. I feel your dreams are going to be successful. All the animals will have I'm just getting whatever your dream is, that is going to be successful. You will achieve your dreams, your goals. Don't be stressed, give all your worries to Mother Earth. The beautiful place you want for yourself, you're gonna get it. There will be harmony in your life, peace in your life. Okay, yeah. With this card also, we have this hummingbird here, right? Hummingbird is all about miracles. They can survive anywhere. They're all about bringing joy. So that is what you empowering yourself. Whatever your dream is, this whatever you're manifesting, I feel like that will come into fruition. Okay, so don't worry, just ground your energy. Right now you're very, very stressed, you have a lot of dreams. Maybe your life purpose is to help other beings. You want to help other people, you want to help this environment, earth. I feel like this pile is like they want to be like helping other people at the same time, doing something for our earth also. I feel like that you want to create a beautiful space for everyone. You're so kind-hearted. Look, miracles are gonna happen for you guys. The dreams you have been, maybe you feel like your dream is just a fantasy. No, it is not fantasy. It will come into fruition. You have a bigger life purpose. I feel for this pile is like you want to do something for this earth. I feel like that. So yes, you will do. At the same time, if you're feeling very responsible with your own duties and all, everything will be sorted out. You will have this harmony in your, this harmony. I'm getting that word, harmony, in your love life, in your career. You will have, and your wishes are gonna be fulfilled. I'm getting that energy. Okay, that is what. And with this hummingbird, hummingbirds can survive. They are all about bringing joy, happiness, miracles. So yes, be joyful, connect with Mother Earth. That is what I'm getting. Clearly I'm getting that here. You need to connect with Mother Earth. You have a very bigger purpose. I feel like that you have this ability. You want to do something in your life. Okay, just go with it. Okay, don't stop yourself. Maybe you are feeling so stressed. Maybe you wanted to do something and now you don't have the freedom because of this pandemic or something like that. I'm feeling this spine is like very much stressed about it. Mother Earth wants you to know that things will manifest for you. Hummingbird, I feel that miracle world. Yeah, if you want that miracle, the miracle will happen for you guys. You are gonna make a very beautiful space for yourself. That is what I'm getting. And this lion, look at the lion. You're going to be on the top of your game, so you don't have to worry. You will be handling everything. You'll not be feeling stressed. Just the only thing you need to do is let go and surrender and connect with Mother Earth. Okay, and you will be, you will get your answers also. I feel like that for this pile you will get your answers. And definitely your mission, whatever you're planning, whatever you're very creative people, so just go with your creative ideas. I'm feeling, you want to bring harmony and you will do that. That is what I'm getting here. Look at that. Blessed. Wow, the angels are blessing, Mother Earth is blessing. So I feel you need to let go of all the we have attachment also. Yeah, you are, maybe it's your negative patterns, or maybe you're thinking that what will happen. I don't know why this pile has affected. You are so affected with this ongoing coronavirus or something like that. I feel like that so much of, you don't know when we will get out of the situation. You're so stressed about it. You don't know when. You want to be free, but at the same time there are so many restrictions, right? So you feel so you're feeling what will happen? You're just so attached to that overthinking right now. You need to get out. Okay, you need to get out. You're blessed, you will be safe, you will be secure. Okay, Mother Earth is telling you to not overthink, and whatever your talent, your creativity is, just go within within that. Okay, don't overthink too much about future. Don't, if you want to avoid media, if you want to if that is giving you like anxiety or something. Sometimes media does give anxiety. So I feel, if you're feeling that is giving you stress, a lot of stress, it's adding stress to you, just don't watch it. Just don't watch, switch off your phone for some days, or maybe just watch something that makes you happy. Okay, you're attached to something, maybe it's that is what I'm getting. You're so attached, you're feeling isolated, maybe because of this whole situation, or you're feeling whether we will go back to our normal self. So much of stress regarding that. For some of you, things are easing up, so you're okay, things will ease up, everything is gonna go good. You're blessed, guys. You need to just meditate, ground your energy with this 22 number, master number we got. So yeah, you're very, very blessed. Angels are there, Mother Earth is telling you to, like, okay, don't feel so caught up on your head, just relax, operate from your heart. Your heart is a little bit closed, I feel like that. You need to operate more from your heart. Or maybe, because of this, maybe you lost your job, or you're not so sure what you're doing in your life, and there are so much responsibilities coming, maybe financial, so you're very, very stressed. But you will be blessed, everything will happen. Everything will be happening for you, guys. You don't have to stress about anything. Just ground and let go of all the fears, and let go of that attachment. That is your, maybe I'm seriously feeling the attachment is to this overthinking, the stress, the responsibilities. You need to let go of that and connect more. Because of this overthinking, you are not grounding your energy. The main thing you need to do is ground your energy right now. Okay, and believe in universe. Yes, your dreams will be successful. Okay, when you believe, have trust, have faith, you will. But right now I don't see that happening for you, because you're so attached to something that is not good for you. Overthinking, stress, anxiety, you need to let go of all these things. So if you're feeling so caught up, just connect with Mother Earth Gaia. Just put a meditation, a nature earth. If you cannot go to nature, just put that meditation and just visualize yourself in nature, and just meditate, guys. Because I'm sure for this pile you are connected to the Mother Earth, and you will get your answers. Look at that. What are the next two cards? We have like woman holding a coin. So if you are very stressed about your finances, yeah, a lot of stress, or for some of you, you are going to discover something about you, some hidden talent about you. That was a very specific message I'm getting. So someone here is gonna uncover their own talent here. When you meditate, when you relax, and when you connect, you will receive certain messages that will change your life. I feel like that. Some miracle is happening for you. Just believe in that, and that is going to happen for sure. And with this woman holding a coin, maybe you will get help, financial help. If you're stressed with your finances, you are going to get some financial help unexpectedly. Or maybe if you're in a business, your business will be doing good. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. Also finances wise also I'm seeing goodness. So for the main thing I'm getting from this pile is that you need to connect with Mother Earth. And when you connect, when you give your responsibilities to her, you will feel relaxed. And yes, your dreams will be successful. It is not imaginary dream. You have a life purpose to help other people, to do something for nature or something like that. You have a higher soul purpose, soul mission, and yes, you can achieve that. You don't have to think that because with this 5 attachment card, you are so in this mask, you are hiding yourself. Don't hide yourself. Don't hide your capabilities. You have so much to offer to this world. And yes, I feel you will definitely, there is something inside you that is hidden, and you will get that. You will know what is hidden, and you will receive that blessing. It will be a major blessing that will change your life. That you will uncover your hidden talent, something about yourself. That is going to happen. Some miracle is going to happen. That is what I'm feeling. And very blessed energy, very, very blessed energy. You're so connected, but right now I don't feel that you are grounded. Okay, you're very caught up in your head. Okay, you need to change that. I see, so much of only overthinking. It's not real. It's not real. You're overthinking. Your stress is not real. Everything will be okay. Okay. So let's see what your charms have to add to this for my group number 1. The good thing is that you're very, very blessed. Okay. And when you're in need, you will be taken care of. That is what I have to say. So believe in miracles. Okay, let's see. So group number 1. Yeah, commitment. Let go, guys. Let go of that stress. Let go of, exit. That is what. Look at this. You got 2. Oh my God. You got 2 rings, one small and one big. Look, some commitment is coming. Oh my God. Maybe you're gonna commit to your life purpose. You're not gonna stress. For some of you, it's like a very, you have a higher purpose, guys. You have a, you are connected to nature in some sort of way. You are meant to help. You will be doing something for nature, for our mother earth. You will be doing something, and you're very, very committed. So right now you're so much caught up. You're thinking whether your dreams will be successful or not. Yes, they are going to be successful. For some of you, definitely I see a higher purpose here, soul mission, something like that, to protect our mother earth. And definitely you're gonna get the information. I told you, your crown chakra is going to be this is like blocked right now. I feel like that because you're so much caught up in your ego, your mind. You're like, oh, what all can go wrong? No, you don't have to think like that. You have to think what all can go right? So that is, you need to be more positive, guys. Yeah, I know the situation is not so good, so that's why we all are like, we don't know where this is going and all. So maybe that's why you're so, but things are easing up, right? So everything will be all right. You need to be committed to your work. I feel some commitment is also coming. Maybe you're getting a commitment from someone or something, or maybe a collaboration or something like that, what you wanted. That is also I'm getting here. Yeah, unity. Yeah, I'm thinking your energies are gonna be balanced. Right now it's like completely scattered all above your head. You don't know what to do. I'm not laughing at you, okay, guys, please. I'm just, when I talk, I do this. I'm so sorry. I don't judge anyone while doing readings. So I'm just, I hope I give this positive vibe to you guys. Like, everything is okay. Everything is okay. Your energies are coming together, okay? Yeah. You're protected. Look, your divine mother is protecting you. This mother earth is protecting you. She protects you. I am feeling that energy, that love vibe here, okay? You're meant to fly high. Your soul mission is so big. For some of you, I'm feeling you will discover that. What is your soul purpose? Why are you're here in this world? You are here to create harmony, to do something for Mother Earth. I feel like that. For some of you, it is that, and you're uncovering that. And yes, you are a magician, and I completely feel some wish is, your dream is coming true. I feel like that, and you're like, oh no, it cannot. So believe in your dream, and because there is a chance of miracle happening in your life, okay? Definitely there is a chance of a miracle, but you need to believe in it, okay? And this miracle is something I feel like that you are discovering about yourself. Something that you will discover about yourself. It's not getting like a lot of money. I don't feel like that. It's like a miracle about yourself. Yeah. Oh, you will be like, oh, this is my talent. This is my ability. You will be finding yourself. I feel like that, because for that you need to open up to the divine. You need to let go of that attachment. Anything that is you attached to that is not healthy for you, guys. Let go of that. Maybe it's eating habits, maybe emotional eating habit, or maybe something that is not good for you. You need to let go of that, okay? So let's see your letters, guys. U, okay, T, then we have P, then we have L, then we have G, okay. D, E, N, oh, Neo. Okay, but I just said Neo. I don't. Okay, anything else? Anything else for pile number 1, divine? Leo, yes, Leo. Yeah, we have a lion there, isn't it? Yeah, passion. You're very passionate about something. Or maybe the commitment is coming from a Leo's. Or maybe something you're collaborating with someone, or maybe you're committing to your own goals, or maybe you're Leo. Maybe you're going to be in this fiery energy, passionate energy. You will be loving yourself and very, very passionate. Right now, I can't see that. With that attachment card, you need to change your perspective, okay? Definitely you need to see the goodness. Look, we have God here. Wow. Yes, definitely Mother Earth is helping you in this situation. You don't have to worry about anything, guys, right? Don't worry about anything, okay? You're overthinking about certain things. I feel like that you are going to learn something about yourself. That is what I'm getting. The main message I'm getting is that you thought that your dreams are all imaginary, that will never happen, but in the future you will discover something about yourself, and you will be so happy about it, and you will be like alive again, and you will be like, wow, I never thought that I had this kind of capability, and you will be so happy, and it will be like a miracle for you. That is what I'm feeling. That is what I'm getting from this pile, and your energies will be aligning for you. You will be very, very positive. Right now you're not that in that like that positivity. I'm getting that also, but in the future, you're changing your perspective, definitely. So for some of you, you might have changed. For some of you, you're in the process of changing your perspective, and I'm just getting that something is there, that is inside you. And you thought in your childhood, you just thought about it, and you were like dreaming about it, and you thought that it is all imaginary, it will not manifest for you, something like that, but it will, okay? That is what I'm getting. That is what Mother Earth wants you to know. Yes, you have the potential. You might, with this Leo energies, Leos are like on the spotlight. So maybe for some of you, yes, you are going to be on the spotlight. People will admire you. I'm getting that also. Yes, definitely, you're very, very blessed. You don't have to worry. Axe that emotions that is not good for you. Axe that habit that is not good for you. Act that, if you're codependent on something, axe that. That what it is, right? And just meditate and ground your energy and open your crown chakra. You will receive definitely messages. For some of you, you are opening up, but I feel many of you haven't opened up. It's kind of blocked. I feel like that. Your heart chakra is also, I feel like that energies, you're not receiving that because it's blocked. So you need to work on that. And when you work on that, when you meditate, when you cleanse your energy, when you spend time with nature, definitely will not feel so heavy, okay? You're feeling so heavy. That is what I'm getting. Oh, your head is like, oh my god, it's so painful. You're getting headaches or something like that. That is what I'm getting here, okay? Anyways, divine is with you. So yeah, pray, guys, meditate, guys. Your prayers are your prayers will be definitely answered. That's for sure here with this blessed card. Just believe. You need to believe in the divine and have faith. Time is an illusion, so don't be caught up on the time. When will this manifest? Instead of focusing on when will, just manifest your desires. I feel many of when this will be happening. I've been doing it for so long, and then what happens? It takes more time because you are just thinking about the time when this will happen. Don't think about the time. No, okay? Just focus on your manifestations, on law of attraction, if you are using that, and believe in it, okay? It will happen. That is why we have divine timing, right? Okay? And when all the energies will be aligned, when you all chakras, I feel like that, in the future your chakras will be balanced, and then you will receive all the abundance, because there is a lot of abundance for you guys waiting there, okay? But you need to change your perspective. You need to ground your energy. You need to connect with Mother Earth, okay? And you need to believe in your own dreams. Are you believing on your own dreams? Or just thinking that your dreams are imaginary, it will never manifest? No, don't think like that, okay, guys? So yeah, that's all for my group number 1. Lovelies, I wish you all the best. I hope you do very good, and I hope I'm just praying for you guys that you you achieve all that blessings, all that things. I see that you are like a little bit caught, little bit stressed, feeling very responsible about life, what you don't know where is life is taking you. You don't know that. It's okay, it's okay. You don't have to know everything. You're gonna uncover one step by step. Okay, it takes one step at a time, guys. Okay, so that's all for my group number 1. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Hello group 2, so this is your reading. So if you chose this one, this photo and this bloodstone, okay, so this is going to be your reading. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm getting here, you need to rest, guys. You need to rest. Are you working a lot? If you're working, or if you're all the time caught up on your head, just relax, okay. Don't worry too much, just relax, guys. Have a good maybe you have some sleep problems. I don't know why I'm getting. So if you have sleep problems, just listen to some meditation. It will help you a lot. Okay, don't and instead of stressing, just go into this meditative state. Okay, that will relax you a lot. Okay, trust me. This meditation really helps. There are tons of meditation that will help you for sleep also. I feel like that will help you. I feel like that is what the first message I'm getting. And the second message what I'm getting, you got, is like this crystal. Your intuition is going to be strong. You're very creative people, and I'm feeling very fertile people also. So many of you, if you're planning to conceive, I see like a lot of fertility, fertility. So if you're trying to conceive, yes, go ahead. It's like going to be very fertile period. I feel like that for some of you, and it's like you're gonna get a lot of inspiration. So work on this crystal also. Bloodstone might help you for your creativity, for intuition. If you're in creative fields, you're gonna you're gonna be inspired when you connect with Mother Earth. Or you can just you can just use this meditation music that will help your creativity, to boost your creativity. And for this pile, I'm getting some night thing. Night is your dreams. Your dreams are very, very important for you right now. So take a look on that. Maybe you're getting ideas through your dreams, inspiration through your dreams, because I feel that night vibe also here. So just take a look on your dreams also, guys. I feel like that. Okay, maybe you see some images or something, and just go on and check. Okay, that might provide you with some inspiration. Maybe I feel like that some creative ideas you will get in your dreams or something like that. Or maybe some messages while you're sleeping, that time you will get. Or maybe when you're in your meditative state, you will receive lot of messages. I feel like that. So yes, it's time to meditate, guys, if you're not doing. And don't be so caught up in this busy world all the time. Work. You're working a lot, I know. So sometimes you need to relax. So it's the time for relaxation. Okay, or maybe you're thinking a lot. So it's just let go of the thinking and just go within yourself. Connect with yourself, connect with Mother Earth, connect with your higher self. Okay, so that is also important. And if you're doing, then you're doing very good. Okay, you're doing good. Okay, do one thing at a time. You don't have to do if you're starting an exercise, just start with 5 minutes. Okay, you don't have to be like, oh, I have to work 1 hour, then only I'll be able to lose weight. No, just do 5 minutes and be consistent with it. Okay, I don't know why I'm saying do every day, but at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, sometimes what we will do, the first day we will do 1 hour, and then the second day our legs will all be sore and we will not do anything on the second day, and then the third day we will not do anything. Then with the fourth day we will be again lazy and then the fifth day we will start again and we will do half an hour, and then again the next day we will have problem, we will not do. So don't do like that. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting this message. So it's like funny. I'm also like that. I when I start exercising, I'll do like for half an hour, and then the next day is gone because our legs will not be good. It will be like full of pain. So just start with 5 minutes. Now just do for 5 minutes every day, then extend it. That is what I'm getting here. That is I just gave one example. Okay, so if that matches, if that resonates with you, take it. So just do something that you want. If you want to work on your creativity, try. If you want to do something, if you want to make your hobby something, just work just work for 5 minutes. Don't put it for the next day. I don't know why I'm getting that. Okay, so yeah. So the first card over here is who she who rides the owl, sorry, brings justice. Okay, so yeah, justice. Our justice card is here. So yeah, so sometimes we feel that the people who do us wrong, they don't get anything, and we are here suffering, and we have been doing this and this, and I'm not getting the justice, like that kind of thing. So you don't have to think about anything like that. There is divine, and they are seeing everything. So I'm just getting this vibe here, that if you have been, if you have had an injustice in the past, you're gonna get the justice here. Okay, and I feel sometimes things happen for a reason, and maybe if something happened in your life, it was for your own goodness. I feel like that maybe that was not meant for you, and maybe it was your lesson. Sometimes we have to learn it in a hard way. Okay, sometimes things are like that only. You got to learn it in a hard way, and I feel like that you have learned something very hard way. Of course, everyone has done. I don't know why I'm getting that. I can resonate with this. Sometimes we do things. We do things with our good heart, and it will like backfire. Maybe for some of you, I feel like that happened. You did it with good intent, and it like completely went opposite or something like that, and you're like, they just they are, the person who did this is like, okay, they are like fine in their life, and I'm here struggling. Why like this? If you're asking like that, remember, everyone has a, they have to balance their karma, so everyone will get that. You don't have to worry about that. Right now you only need to focus on yourself, your creativity, and remember, if something happened in your life, it was meant to be, and you'll have learned your lesson. I feel like that you have learned your lesson, and now it's time for with this owl, I feel like that now you are not going to repeat that mistake again. Okay, now who is good for you, who your intuition is very good here. With this owl also, I feel like that owl may be your spirit animal or something like that. So you can see in the darkness also, you can see the dark side of a person. You can see that, you can sense that, right, if a person is good for you, because in the past you were not like that. You used to not do that. You were so good. I feel many of you have taken advantage of your innocence or something like that. Now you're like, no, I will not let that happen again to me. So you have been like that. So yes, okay, you don't have to worry about it anything. If you felt like something didn't happen, you lost a job or something like that, you will get the justice. Okay, you are going to get the justice here. And then we have Padma Sundari, out of darkness the light is born. Yes, you have been in a darkness, you have gone through a lot of darkness in your life. You have seen a lot. As I said with this owl, you were like, why this person who did me wrong is living a good life, and I am here suffering. If you have ever thought about that, don't think like that. Just forgive them and move on with your life. Okay, because karma is there, universe is saying, Mother Earth is saying. So just remember that, and you just work on yourself, your advancement, because I see you are going towards light. You are going towards spirituality. I feel like you are awakening your spiritual side. For many of you, you are already awakened, or maybe this was the because of this thing happened, that maybe something happened in your past and that awakened you, right? That is also I'm getting. So now you are in this beautiful spiritual journey. I feel like that, where I'm getting this vibe that you're meditating. Sometimes you have problem because you're because I feel like that you are already meditating. Your intuition is good and all, but then to you, sometimes you have problem meditating. Sometimes you overthink. So you don't have to overthink. Sometimes these past memories come up. Because of that, you have problem. Even though you are letting go of that, you have not completely let go. I am getting that vibe also. You need to let go more. So I feel like that you need to work on your spirituality. Yes, you are going to light. Now in the future, there is only light, there is only happiness. The karma is balancing, and with this lotus, yes, you are glowing. Even though your environment, even in the past, the environment where you were in, the environment you were in was not good, was not healthy. Because of that you had so much of negativity, you know, you also became a little bit negative. Right now you are changing your perspective, you are growing, you're understanding a lot of things, I feel like that. And yes, Lakshmi here, we have Lakshmi here, she is helping you with this. I feel, you know, Lakshmi is all about prosperity, abundance, you know, getting the justice. So yes, your life is going, you're going into the light period, your darkness is over. So for some of you, you have gone through a lot. I get that, you know, that is your past. You have to completely let go of your past. That is also I'm getting. Yeah, truth. Yeah, hearing truth. Yes, I feel you will get more clarity in the future. You're gonna get more clarity something about your past. I'm getting that also. You will get more clarity about the things, and you will be able to, like, yeah, that is why this happened, you know, this had to happen. Because of that I learned, you know, sometimes you need to experience things because you have to grow. Life is all about growing. If you hadn't experienced that, you wouldn't have grown, right? So it was meant to be. So you will get the clarity, you will be like, oh yeah, that is why this happened. And now I feel you will be completely detaching yourself from the past. That is what I'm getting. You will not think about your past anymore, you know. That is where you're going towards light, and you will be in this thing, you know. I'm getting that vibe here. Because you have experienced a lot, and you will be helping the same kind of people here, because you have experienced and you know how it feels and all, and you will be helping the same kind of people. You will be forming a community or something like that. I'm getting that also here. You know, you're transforming beautifully with this butterfly. I see you're going to be very peaceful, you know, with this white, you know. I feel purity. You will be very, you know, you're getting back your innocence. You know, you had lost your innocence because of all these things that happened in your past. Right now, even though you're innocent, you're getting back your innocence, but you know what is good for you, what is bad for you, you know, what you need to engage in, what kind of people are good for you. You know everything right now. Your intuition is going to be very, very strong. In the future it is going to, you know, I feel that you are very intuitive, but your intuition is going to be on the next level. So meditate, guys, because I feel this pile is doing that. If you are not doing, just try, you know, make a daily routine. Okay, start for, you know, as I said, start with 5 minutes. You don't have to do 1 hour meditation, no, just start with 5 minutes. Okay, that will be very beneficial for you. Okay, so the next card, yeah, observer. And then we have like message in a bottle. Okay, so yes, you're getting a lot of signs and signal, you know, you're seeing a lot of signs. I feel like that. Yes, definitely, you're getting a lot of signs. And you know, this moon here, and we have this, I talked about something about night. So your dream time is very, very important here. I feel like that in your dreams you're getting a lot of signs and something like that. Okay, so take a look on that. You might be receiving a message, or maybe for some of you, you will receive a message, a good news. I'm feeling like that you have been hoping for, waiting for. That is also I'm getting, and you will be very happy about it. Okay, and with this white color again, you know, a lot of pieces coming into your life for sure. You know, the dark period of your life has been over. That is the good news here. The darkness has been over. Now you are just going to the light, and you will be the light for so many other people. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, and yes, you're going to get a lot of clarity. You are going to get a lot of clarity. Just listen, you know, just observe. You're getting a lot of signs. I'm sure you're getting like this pile might be seeing a lot of numbers also. Okay, so yeah, you're getting a lot of signs, you're getting messages. Maybe if someone from your past will message you, I don't know, I'm getting that vibe also, maybe. So you just trust your intuition in that case. Okay, if you need to let in, or if you don't need to let them in your life, that is all your intuition. You need to just trust your intuition. I'm feeling like that. And I'm just getting a vibe, you know, you have been waiting for something. You might get that message also. Message in a bottle. Maybe it's just a message from the universe that will provide you a lot of clarity. With this hearing truth, I'm getting that. Okay, maybe it's a new opportunity. Okay, and look at this. This is also like justice, right? The scales are going to balance. The karma is going to balance for you guys. Yeah, and we have this justice here. So whoever did you wrong in the past, they will get their karma. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, they will get their karma. Okay, so that's for sure here with these cards. And we have the 6 number. 6 number is showing up, right? 1 plus 5, 6, and 6 and 6, right? And we have 8 and 8. So 8 and 6 is prominent for you guys. A6 is all about, you know, things coming together, balance, responsibility getting balanced, you know, family life, everything getting balanced, you know, for you guys. I feel like that. And maybe your life path number 6 or 8. Okay, that is also important for here. Anyways, new opportunities are also coming that will make you happy. Something you have been waiting for, maybe a new job, a new opportunity, maybe a new creative idea you will get that will make you very happy. I'm seeing success for this pile also. Okay, definitely, you know, definitely your intuition, trust your intuition. This is a message here I'm getting here is like, trust your intuition. If you trust your intuition, that is going to lead you to success. That will be the correct path for you, and you are definitely on the right path. You don't have to stress about that. Okay, for some of you, you are stressing, and you need to let go of something. You need to let go of something, completely let go of your past and move. You don't have to think about the people who did you wrong, because they will get their own karma. Okay, look, angel of strength. Definitely you have endured a lot here. I can see that you have endured a lot. You have been very strong, you have been very courageous. Yes, you are the lion, you are the Leo energy, you are the one going to be in the spotlight. I feel like that, you know, many people will be asking for your guidance. I feel like that. Okay, that is also I'm getting for this group number 2. Your intuition is on point. You can trust your intuition. Based upon your intuition, take steps. I feel like that. Okay, you're gonna grow your spirituality more. So many very spiritual pile also here. Okay, so yeah, even if you're not spiritual, even if you don't believe in it, you know, your intuition is strong here. Okay, and some new good news is definitely coming. Some new contract, maybe you're signing something, maybe something that will make you happy. You will get a message, or maybe some signs from the universe you will be receiving, and you will get your answers. That is also I'm getting. Your new opportunities are coming your way. That is also I'm getting. And yes, you have endured a lot. Now it's time to shine. It's time to be that courageous woman, you know, or, you know, gender doesn't matter, woman or man, whoever you are. So you're going to be the lion, you're going to be the king, you're going to be the you know, you are going to be in the spotlight in some way or some form. I don't know, but I'm feeling like that. You're going to be in the spotlight, you're going to be in the light. You're the light. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, wow, that was beautiful. Okay, so Mother Earth is you know, appreciating you. I'm getting that also. You have done a lot of work, you have endured a lot, you have been courageous, you know, even though they, you know, you had gone through a lot of challenges, but you have not given up. That is what I'm getting. So yes, she's like appreciating you. Yes, you have done the work. Now, yeah, now it's like for happy periods, you know, you have gone through all that, your karma is balanced. Now it's like all happiness. Now just trust your intuition and go with the flow. Just trust the universe. Okay, so let's see here what else for group number 2. Okay, oh, we got the green color here, the green color shell. It's all about abundance, so I take it like abundance, prosperity. Look, happiness. Yes, happiness. That is what I'm getting. You know what, I look, lot of respect, lot of recognition for you guys. So if you have been waiting for that, so for some of you, you're like, oh, I have been working a lot, but no one is appreciating me, you know, I have been like working a lot, but why I'm not getting the appreciation I deserve? You are gonna get that also. Okay, and of course your guides, your spirit guides, your angels are all telling you that you have done a very good job. So maybe if some of you have like a hard time appreciating yourself, you need to appreciate more. Okay, you're going to be like, with this Leo energy, I feel like that you're going to be very, very confident about yourself, your work, your passion. You're going to be very, very passionate also. I feel like that the things you want to do. So something new is happening for you definitely, and you will be like soaring high. I feel like that you will be like going forward with it, with love. Look, angel love is a lot there. Look, moving to a new something. Look, high heels. Yes, boss energy. I'm feeling like that. You're going to be your own boss. I feel like that. For some of you're doing something by yourself, self-employment or something like that, or maybe you're collaborating with someone, and you will be like very successful in that. I'm feeling like that. We got this for pile number 1 also. It's like unity, you know, things coming together. So stay away from this negativity. That is also getting here. Stay away from negativity. Happiness is coming. Look, you will be in your power. The wheel of fortune, the wheel is turning, and I'm getting you will have the steering wheel. You know where you need to go, and you will be going your way. You're gonna do you're gonna listen to your heart, and you will go like that. I'm getting that. Look, white light, protection is there. and again the number 1. New beginnings, definitely new beginnings here, guys. Wow, maybe it's maybe it can be a new idea that you have, you know, your dream time. You're gonna get a lot of ideas. Dream time is very important, guys. Take a look on that, because you are receiving a lot of messages at the night time. Or maybe full moon energy, new moon energies are very beneficial for you guys. Manifest at that time, that will be very beneficial for you guys. Anyways, I see a lot of new beginnings, new growth, abundance. Now is the period of shining, you know. Like, it's your period, it's your time. I feel like that, you know, it's time to shine. You have gone through a lot. Now it's, you have gone through your dark night of the soul, if you can say, but now it's time to shine. It's like with this white, look, we have the white here, we have the white here, we have the white here. Okay, so white light. You're just covered in that white light. Your aura is white light. You're so peaceful. You're going to be so peaceful, you know. When you connect with other people, they will get you that vibe, you know, that is that, you know, you're going to be very, very positive. I'm getting that here. Definitely you're going to be very, very positive here, and that's very good. That's beautiful. So let's see what are your letters. Okay, guys, so letters, we have O, I, U, A, N, E, I, and again E and E, 3 E's. You have like E or maybe okay, we have Tina. Okay, we have a name here. Anyways, Tina. Okay, then anything else? Okay, it's okay to say no. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. Maybe you will say no to something, and it's okay to say no. Okay. Then what else? Tia. Oh, Tina, Tia, everything is there here. Okay, then anything else, Divine? Okay, so yeah, that's all I'm getting for you guys. Hope you like the reading. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. So group number 3, if you chose this photo and rose cards, let's see what is your reading for this pile. The first message I'm getting here is like you're working on your shadow side, right? You are spiritually awakened, and now you're working on yourself, your shadow side, your creativity. You're working on yourself. Okay, that is what I'm getting here with this, you know. I feel for many of you, you are understanding what is your like devil energy, what you need to let go of, what is your like the thing is that is stopping you from achieving your own potential. You're understanding that you're working on a lot, you know, you're working on your shadow side. You have been working on you. I'm working on that. So some of you are in the process of working it, understanding that, you know, awakening to newness. I feel like that, you know, new things, you know, you're understanding, you're getting a lot of clarity. You're you're letting go of the things that is not serving you. You're letting go of your self-doubt, your fear. You're getting more positive, or maybe some trauma that you had, you're just letting go of that and understanding. You know, you're getting a lot of understanding. I'm feeling like that. Because of that, you're, you know, the shadow work, that is what I'm getting here. Letting go of your fear, self-doubt, you know, letting go of a habit that is not serving you in any form or any shape. I'm feeling like that also. And because of that, for many of you, I'm feeling the third eye, you know, your third eye. You're getting the, your vision is getting clearer. It was so dark, right now it's like so clear. You're getting your clarity. Okay, maybe for some of you, you were in lack. Because of that, you couldn't see things properly. Right now I'm feeling you're letting go of that all things. Okay, Mother Earth is helping you with that process. So you are healing. I'm feeling that also. You're healing, you're growing, you're getting your consciousness, you know, your consciousness is expanding. I feel like that. You have been working a lot. Okay, for true, you've been working a lot right now. Yeah, you are understanding your own worth, your own power. the talents, the abilities you have, you know it right now, and you are like expanding it. Your consciousness is expanding, you're working on your spirituality, like you are just working right now on yourself, loving yourself, self love. You're letting go of all that fears and doubts, the devil side of, the devil things, the devil energy. You're letting go of that devil energy, the fears, the self doubts, the obsessions you had, the obsession to certain things. Maybe if you used to smoke or something like that, if you drinking habits or something like that, that was not good for you. You're letting it go, you're completely transforming, I feel like that. Okay, there is a lot of transformation happening here. Look, the first card is here is no good things shall be withheld. So blessings of Kumu, so blessings are coming your way, guys. So if you have felt lack in your past, no, there is not going to be any lack, any more lack. You will be provided with all the resources you need. Okay, you will be having everything that you need to manifest in your life. You're going to be like so the universe will be providing you the things you want, right? So I feel this pile is like going to be very powerful manifestors also, very wise people. So your life is like completely like changing, you're like transforming completely. The person you were past year is not going to be the person anymore. Okay, you have that, I'm sure this pile have changed a lot. Maybe you have been working on yourself a lot, you're transforming, you're glowing, right? You're understanding your own self-worth. So you in the past you didn't understand that, you didn't understand, you were living in a lack mentality or lackfulness. Maybe you had like financial problems, or maybe you didn't get the love you deserved. Because of that you had so much of lack in your childhood. But I'm getting that you are gonna overcome all that, you are working on that now. You're gonna shine, you're gonna transform. You have so much of wisdom, you're completely transforming. Universe is helping you with it, and universe is providing the right people. They're giving you the right people, right environment. I feel like that resources that you need to have, all the things that you need will be provided by the universe. So just have faith. That is what I'm getting here. Look at that, we have the lion. You are the lion. Okay, you are the leader. So honor of the ancient king. So you are awakening to your own power. I'm feeling like that. You felt unworthy in the past, you felt like you were nothing, you felt like you're weak. Now it's like the opposite. You know that you have power, you are the lion, you can achieve all the things you want to achieve. So maybe you're in your masculine energy, you're balancing your masculine energy. So that was like that is like balancing. I feel like that is like healing. Your masculinity is healing. I'm feeling like that. So you know what you need to do. You are becoming the leader. The lion is a leader, right? And they know when they need to take care of, right? They take the rest, and then when they want to do the action, they go. Okay, and they don't have any problem. If they want something, they just go and ask and have it. They don't think that they don't think that it's not theirs or something like that. They'll just go and have their things, right? I'm getting that feeling. They're the leaders, they make the decisions, right? So I'm feeling like that you're going to be in that masculine energy where you will be taking decisions for yourself. Okay, that will be beneficial for other people also. I don't know why I'm getting the leader vibe here. You're going to be the leader. So in the future you will be able to lead more people. So you will be maybe you will be providing a platform for other people. You will be giving something big, some big purpose here. I'm feeling like that. So because you have been working on a lot, you have been working a lot, you're growing, you're wise. You're the manifestors. I feel like that. The magician card right now, you will be provided with all the resources. The magician have all the resources to make things happen, right? So I feel like that for you guys. You will be provided with all the resources that you will ever need. I feel like that. You will be in your power. You will have that masculine energy. You didn't have that much energy. Now you are just healing that energy, and you're moving forward with your goals, your ideas, your focus. You are going to focus on your goals, ideas, and you're going to move forward. No one can stop you here because you have worked on yourself. No negativity can stop you. You have done that a lot in the past. Now complete transformation. You're in your power, guys. That is a beautiful reading here. Look at that magician, and the mirror. I was talking about that. The resources will be provided to you. Okay, with this blessing card, yes, no good thing shall be withheld. So you are meant for good things. Now you are meant to make your life, you're transforming. Your life is completely transforming. I feel like that. You have the power. You have worked a lot though. Look, your intuition is so strong here. With this owl also, I feel like your intuition is getting very strong. Your crown chakra is activated, and with this third eye also, I can see that your vision is clear. Now the vision is clear. You know what you want to achieve in your life, and you're going to go for that. Okay, no one can stop you. Your masculine energy, you have been awakening. You're spiritually awakened right now. You know where you want to go. You're letting go of all the things that is not serving you, letting go of your habits, your own habits that was damaging to you, your own past, the people that was not good for you, everything, and you're moving in your power. You're the powerful people, right? So mother earth is like, yes, just go and grab the things you want to make, just go and grab. That is yours, it's yours. Just go and grab it. You have the power, you have all the resources. Make it happen. Just be focused. Okay, be focused. And next one, round and round. Yeah, this is ending, guys. I feel like that for many of you, your life was in round and round, like that. The same things were happening. Now it's ending because you have worked on yourself. You have worked on that thing that was not good for you, and you have learned your lessons. Now it's time to shine. It's to be in your power. Okay, so you have endured a lot with the same things happening, maybe the same pattern relationship, same things, same trauma, same, you were like in that phase where the cycle was like not ending. Now there is a completion. I can see here, changes with this moon phases. Look at the changes are happening in your life. You're now in your power. Okay, yes, the repeating pattern has been ended. Wow, look, again we have this tiger and the lion. You are going to be in this masculinity. You're going to have the energy to do the things for you. So you're going to be the leader. You're going to take charge, and you're not going back. You're not going to your past. You're not going to that cycle, the never ending cycle that you were in. That's like ended. Finally it is ended because you have taken charge, and this is your new life, right? Wow, this is your new life, the new you, the complete new you have transformed a lot. You are going to be spiritually grow. You are going to be gross. You're going to grow spiritually. You're going to do the things you want to do in your life. You're not going to be in that energy where people were not good to you, or whatever that was. Maybe that the habit that was not good for you. You're just cutting everything that was not good for you. Now you are in this new phase. You have transformed, like complete transformation. So that because of that, this round and round is like finished. The never ending loop of cycle. Sometimes people go through like that. They don't learn the lessons, and the same mistakes they do again, and the same things happen and happen and happen. Now that is, you have gone through a lot like that. I feel like that with this round and round thing. Now it's like, yes, you have let go that. You have let go of your past. You're in your charge. You have been healing. I feel for this pile you have been healing. You have been letting go of your worries, your self-doubt, the things, everything you have let go. You have been working. Now you're like a wise leader. Okay, you will be helping other people. You have the magic inside you. You know so many things. You have been learning. You have been working on yourself. Now you're like a complete different person. No one will recognize the past. You are just like completely transformed. I feel like that. So this is a very powerful reading here. Complete, very powerful people. Now you know what? No one's negativity will affect you in any way, because you're in your power. Okay, that is what I'm feeling. Okay, you're not, at the same time I'm feeling like that you will be helping other people in the future. I feel like that. It's like I'm getting that powerful energy here. You will be helping other people to transform their life, because you have created a new life for yourself, and you will help other people. And you are very intuitive, definitely, with this 7th chakra. Archangel Uriel is working with you. You're very creative. You have all the resources, guys. You will be provided with all the resources that you will ever need. Mother Earth will provide you with it. Okay, so use wisely. Oh, and I know that you have worked a lot. You know all about the things. So yes, so I don't have to talk about it. I guess you're very wise people anyways. So let's see. And pile number 3 is always like very wise, very mature. Maybe you were not matured, but right now you're like, I feel people will not recognize you. Maybe you had a complete makeover, or because you're so empowered. That is what I'm getting. You were so weak, now you're so empowered. You're not the past you are like those. You're different. If you are resonating, you know what I'm telling, that what I'm talking about. So let's see what your charms have to add to this. Oh, with this pile I got this energy, the powerful. Yes. I am also feeling so empowered. Wow, the energy is very nice, very masculine energy. Yes, now I think I'll be doing my things also easily now. All the work that I have to do, I'll be completing very easily because I got the energy here. Okay, so let's see. Very strong energy here. So let's see what are your charms. Okay, yeah, keep going, guys. The arrows, I saw the arrows first. Yeah, keep going, keep moving forward with these 2 charms here. Keep moving forward with your passion, with your goals, because no one can stop you, guys. No one can stop you. You're so powerful. Look, the pumpkin, lot of fertility, lot of seeds. The seeds you have been planting is gonna grow. Okay, just go, just take it, what is yours. All you have. Romance, for some of you, romance is coming with this love and rose here. Maybe for some of you, you will be meeting some new person or something like that. Yes, you have been this I'm feeling like that hanged man position where you were like working on yourself. You're seeing things from different perspective, taking a break, and working on yourself. Now you're like ready to go. You're like ready to move forward. You have everything. Now you're going to plant the seeds and you're ready to go. And for some of you have already started, and I feel some of you are like already seeing the success in some form. Okay, now it's like it's completely new life. New things, new life, new people. I feel like that everything about your past is like gone. You have let go of that completely. You're healed. For this part, I feel some of you are like healing, and many of you, I feel you have been healed, and you're just gonna move forward. You're gonna be free. Like you have a lot of peace. Like a lot of peace is coming, and just stick to the plan here with this anchor. I feel like that you just need to stick to the plan and just keeping moving forward. Don't give up. I know that you will not give up, but then too it's coming. Don't give up. Just move forward. You're the magic. You can survive anywhere. You have that much, and wherever you go, you will get the resources you need. Because universe is with you. Universe is with you. Okay, yeah, there is a lot of protection here. I feel like that also. And let's see what your words, letters have to add to this for group number 3. Okay, we have the word H, we have the word L, we have the word R, we have the word D, we have the word E, we have the EA, we have A again, we have I again, sorry, I know I, then D, T, R, E, N, R, and what is this? U. Okay, yeah, I see rain here. Yeah, now it's the rain. You have maybe for many of you, your future looks very bright. For me, you'll be getting a lot of opportunities, and after the rain comes the rainbows. I feel the period of rain has been over. I feel like that maybe a lot of opportunities are raining on you, or maybe your seeds will be planted, because when rain comes, seeds like grows, right? That is what I'm getting here. So the things you have planted is going to grow beautifully. That is also I'm getting here. Okay. Yeah, you have done a lot of hard work. I feel like that. Yeah, look at that. We have got hard. You have learned so many things, hard way, very hard. Yeah, you have done a lot of work, hard work. I'm getting way that, and you becoming strong. Maybe that is also the thing, like becoming very strong. Maybe you are doing like, I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe you were like going to gym and like making muscles or something like that. Also I'm getting, working on your body, getting that 6 packs. if you're a male, or even if you're female, I feel like that you want to do that, go in gym and make body, something like that. You're working on that, and yes, you will be completely transformed. Your makeover, people will not recognize you. You'll be like completely in your power. That is what I'm getting here. Yeah, the muscles, that is with this heart. I feel like that you are going to be very strong people, and you're going to be true to yourself. You're not going to do so. To be true to yourself, and you're not going to do something that is not true to you. Okay, you will always be on the truth side, true. So be true to yourself. You'll be just go with your heart. That is what they are saying. Mother Earth is saying, just listen to your heart. Okay, so we have here. Okay, so maybe you can hear things. I feel like that some good news is on your way, or maybe you like a clear audience, you can hear something, that is your gift. So they are sending you messages, so listen to that also. I feel like that. Okay, you need to listen that. Yes, that is I'm getting here. Oh, ear. Okay, we have ear also. Yeah, there is some good news. Definitely some good news is coming your way. Or maybe a true love is coming your way. I'm getting that also here. Finally you're getting that true love. Or maybe you have like, I don't know why I'm getting that. You have had so much problem in this love area. Right now you're like letting go of all that, and you're the new you. That is what I'm getting here. We have this new life also, right? So complete transformation, your body, your thinking, everything, complete transformation, a lot of wisdom. A Mother Earth is completely helping you in this. Anything else here for you guys? Yeah, true love. Maybe we have he. So I can see that finally someone is like, maybe it's an air sign. Okay, I'm getting so much clues for you because we didn't talk about love and all, but I feel someone, maybe an air sign is important to you. Maybe you're an air sign. Okay, that can also be there. You don't have to be, but definitely I'm seeing that. Yeah, we have ant. Lot of hard work, guys. Ant like does a lot of hard work, and they will be successful in the end because they've been doing the hard work. So yes, hard work, lot of hard work. Or maybe in the future you need to do hard work, then only you will succeed. You will be doing a lot of hard work. You're not afraid of hard work. I feel that also. You're not afraid to do work. You are like up for it. You have so much of power. You have so much of energy. You will be having that energy. Look, okay, interesting. Yeah, you will have that energy to move forward. You will not give up. Okay, I have a name here, Ruhi. Okay, then anything else here? Yeah, your eating habits. I'm feeling yeah, you're going to change your eating habits. You complete newness, completely a new beginning for you guys. The cycle that was like on and on with this round and round, that's ending. Yeah, it's ending. We have an end here. Look, we have an end. Yeah, the round and round cycle is ending, guys. Congratulations, you're the new you. You're in your power. You're in the future. You are going to be like so much in power. Wow. Okay, maybe you're doing some HIIT exercise. I don't know what is that. I'm getting some exercise about it, like core training. I don't know why I'm like very much training, something gym related. I don't know why I'm getting that. For some of you maybe. Then what is that? Anything else? Okay. Okay, running. Yeah, run. It's all about that only. It's all about, yeah, running. So maybe you're doing some running or something like that. Some exercise related is coming. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so remember all the resources that you will be provided by the universe. So just have faith. Okay, have faith. Don't lose faith. Your universe. Yeah, we have this you and I here. Okay, graduation. You might be graduating, something like that. Okay. Okay, I don't know. I'm getting this lunar. Okay, something about that. is important here. Okay, that's important here. Okay, for you guys, maybe lunar eclipse is important here. We have eclipse, right? Yeah, 30th November 30th we have that. So yes, it might be important for you guys. Manifest, guys, because you're powerful manifestors. You're going to be the real you. You're going to be the real you. You're finally going to be true to yourself. You're going to be the real you. You're not going to hide yourself anymore. You're going to be in your power, and no one can stop you. No one can stop you, guys. No one can, because you're going to be in so in power, because you have worked a lot, right, on yourself, on this devil energy, your shadow self. You have let go, and this full moon is all about releasing, so you can completely release. Do a ritual that will help you. Okay, yeah, wow, very powerful, guys, very, very, very powerful. Keep on moving forward. All the best. Bye bye, take care, guys.